Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones RAZER Opus X. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and USB-C right here at the right ear cup of the headphones. We have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable at this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. But also we have another option to charge the headphones is to use your phone, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. If your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your right ear cup. And again we can see this LED light, so it's charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!